When homeowners in Des Allemands consider ways to boost property value, one improvement often overlooked is professional door replacement. A new, expertly installed door does more than enhance curb appeal. It increases energy efficiency, strengthens home security, and elevates overall property desirability. Let's explore how replacing your doors with the help of professionals can make a lasting impact on your home's worth. Enhanced curb appeal that attracts buyers' first impressions matter, and your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. A weathered, outdated, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained home appear neglected. By contrast, a professionally installed modern entry door creates a welcoming, polished look that draws the eye and enhances architectural style. Homebuyers in Des Allemands, especially in competitive real estate markets, often form their first opinion before stepping inside. An attractive, well-chosen door, crafted from high-quality materials and expertly aligned, can increase perceived home value immediately. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of wooden front doors or the sleek durability of steel or fiberglass options, a professional replacement ensures your home's entrance looks both inviting and refined. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Louisiana's climate can be hot and humid for much of the year, making energy efficiency a major concern for homeowners. Old or poorly sealed doors allow drafts to enter and air conditioning to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Professional door installers use precision tools and techniques to ensure your new door fits perfectly, eliminating gaps that lead to energy loss. Modern doors come equipped with insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass inserts, all of which contribute to lower heating and cooling costs. This energy savings translates directly into higher property value. Prospective buyers recognize that a home with upgraded doors means reduced monthly bills and improved indoor comfort, a key selling point in today's market. Increased home security and peace of mind. Security is another major factor that influences property value. Professionally installed doors are built to resist forced entry, using reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. Homeowners in Des Allemands benefit from these upgrades not only for safety but also for insurance purposes. Many insurers offer discounts for properties equipped with secure entry systems. Installations, on the other hand, can leave small vulnerabilities that compromise your home's defense. By hiring professionals, you ensure that locks align perfectly, hinges are properly anchored, and frames are solidly reinforced. This peace of mind adds both tangible and emotional value to your home. Professional installation ensures longevity and performance. While it might seem cost-effective to install a new door yourself, improper installation can lead to long-term issues such as warping, leaks, or misalignment. Professional door replacement services in Des Allemands guarantee precise measurements, expert craftsmanship, and high-quality materials, factors that extend the life and function of your door. Many professional installers also offer warranties on both the door and the installation work, providing protection against future issues. This reliability becomes a selling advantage if you decide to list your home, as buyers appreciate documented proof of recent professional upgrades. Boosting home value through modern design and functionality. Beyond efficiency and security, modern door designs contribute to a home's overall aesthetic and resale potential. Replacing outdated models with contemporary styles, such as custom glass-paneled doors, elegant double entries, or energy-rated sliding patio doors, instantly modernizes the property. Homebuyers are increasingly drawn to homes that balance functionality with style, and a new door can signal that your property has been well cared for and thoughtfully updated. In real estate appraisals, exterior upgrades like door replacements often deliver one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, sometimes recouping over 90% of the cost upon resale. This makes professional door replacement not just a cosmetic improvement but a financially smart decision. Conclusion: a small upgrade with a big payoff. Investing in professional door replacement in Des Allemands is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your home's value, comfort, and safety. From reducing energy bills to improving curb appeal and fortifying security, A new door transforms your property both aesthetically and functionally. When handled by experts, this upgrade delivers lasting quality and measurable returns, making it one of the smartest home improvement choices you can make.